What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to block TikTok on an iPhone using built-in content restrictions. This method doesn't require any extra apps, it's completely free, and it works really well for parents who want a more permanent solution. First, open the Settings app on the iPhone you want to restrict. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. If Screen Time isn't already turned on, follow the on-screen steps to set it up. You'll be asked to create a screen time passcode, so make sure it's something your child doesn't know. Once screen time is enabled, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then turn the toggle on at the top. You may need to enter your screen time passcode to continue. Before blocking the TikTok app itself, it's important to block the browser workaround. Some users try to access TikTok through Safari or other browsers, so we'll stop that first. Tap on Store, Web, Siri, and Game Center content. Then select Web Content. Choose Limit Adult Websites. After that, scroll all the way down to the Never Allow section and add TikTok.com. This will prevent TikTok from loading in any browser on the phone. With the website blocked, TikTok can no longer be accessed through Safari or other browsers, which closes that loophole. From here, you can continue using screen time to block or restrict the TikTok app itself through app limits or allowed apps, depending on how strict you want the restriction to be. And that's it. That's how you block TikTok on an iPhone using content restrictions without installing any third-party apps. It's simple, effective, and gives parents full control over what's accessible on the device. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.